Hi, it's Igor from Inspire to Make. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a jerry can mini-bar. For this project, I'm going to use a 20-liter jerry can, I bought it new, edge trim, clasps, and hinges. If you're going to make a mini bar out of a used jerry can like this, make sure there is no gasoline leftovers left inside. Let's start. First, I'm going to use the tape to mark where the door for the mini bar should be. To cut the door out, I'm going to use an angle grinder with a cutting disc for the straight lines and the rotary tool for the corners. And don't forget to use proper safety equipment such as gloves, hearing protection and eye protection. And now, when we have our door cut, I'm going to sand the edges and apply the edge trim to cover all the imperfections. Now, when the door is cut out, I'm going to apply the edge trim to cover all the edges. Okay, complication number one. The edge trim added some thickness to the edge, so the door does not close properly. To fix that, I'm going to remove the edge trim and sand the door all the way around. Now it's a perfect fit. Don't remove too much of the edge, just enough to make it snug. Next step is to attach hinges. I'm using small bolts to attach the hinges to the door. Next, I'm going to attach clasps. I'm using this roll of tape to put both clasps on the same level. So now, when the enclosure for the mini-bar is done, it's time to create all the internal components. The internal part of the mini-bar I'm going to make out of the 3/4 pine board. I measured the bottom of the can and cut out the paper template to transfer all the measurements to the board. And here's the minibar in action. Internal layout of the minibar will vary, depends on what you're gonna fill it with. I made a bottle holder, a can dispenser, and shelves for the glasses. The glasses are secured in place with the wedged wooden pucks. If you want to make your own minibar like this, check out links in the description below where I put downloadable PDF with all the steps and measurements. Let me know in the comments below what else could be made out of this jerry can. My original idea was to make a computer case.